Okay, so we are going on the funky Fuji-Q mouse. And you guys will see when we get to the top of this lift hill why I call it the funky Fuji-Q mouse. When we get to the top of the lift hill. Because this lift hill will take a little while. We're on a lift hill. 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 You're welcome. All right. Now okay, now we're at the top of the lift hill and we're on the funky Fuji-Q mouse. All right, here we go. Funky first drop. Whee! Funky turn. Funky second drop. Whee! And here's where it gets a little funkier. You ready? Here we go. Whoa, funkiness. Oh my, oh, look at all the funkiness. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh man, it's like being with a brand new driver or something. Like, oh, funkiness. All right, now it's like a regular wild mouse, but still a little funky. Whee! Oh yeah. Oh, sorry about that, Dan. Oh no, I'm not. All right, here we go. Oh my God, that was my spleen. Oh, my second spleen. Oh God. Oh, make it stop. Make it stop. Oh my God, make it stop. Oh, I'm bleeding internally. Oh, here we go. Oh, I think we're almost done. No, we have more funkiness. Funkiness. Oh God. Oh my God. Woo. Oh, yes. Woo. You want to ride again?
Absolutely.
Let's do it. All right, guys. So Dan and I are here on the mouse. We're really close on the mouse.
I've never wanted to be this close to you.
I've never.
So
I have. Okay, so we're gonna do. If you just watch the POV, you'll see why we were saying the things that we did, and you get to experience our reaction. Oh yeah. But we have a challenge for you. Because of all the hate that's out there on the internet, Dan wants some of the hate directed to him.
Bring it on.
So, in the comments section, we want you to write the meanest, the worst, the most hateful comments about Dan, but you can't use any swear words or be vulgar. That's the challenge. We will award prizes. So, say the worst possible stuff you can about Dan.
Should be easy to do.
And no swearing, no vulgarity, and be creative, and there will be prizes. And oh God, we're at the top of the lift hill now. Oh, here we go. Okay, guys. Alrighty. The funky first drop wasn't too bad. Hooray! Whee! And it's a nice, gentle wild mouse. Whee! All right. Oh no! Now we get to the crazy part. Here we go. Oh crap! Oh, what is this part? Oh man! Oh, this thing does really weird stuff to my insides. Oh God! Oh, and then these like weird little drops here. Okay, here we go. No! Whee! Oh crap! Here we go. Oh my God! Oh, was that where my spleen like erupted? No, it was this part up here. I think. Oh God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, why did we ride this again? Oh God! Oh, make it stop again! Oh, I'm sorry, Dan. No, I'm not. Oh God, I think I said that last time. Oh, here we go. Wee! Oh, not wee! Oh, not wee at all! Oh God! Oh, we loved it. It was great, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was excellent.
Yeah, remember, mean comments towards Dan. Don't be vulgar. Bye-bye.